delicious, delicious, delicious. Can you sauteed mushroom sauteed with white wine sauteed in garlic and butter, sauteing in scallion and butter. After adding flour, stir fry over low heat until the oil comes out. Pour in the milk, pour in the light cream, add the diced potatoes, add the chicken pieces, add the previously sauteed mushrooms, add a pinch of salt, add a pinch of salt, add a pinch of MSG, add a pinch of black pepper. A delicious and nutritious bowl of creamy mushroom potato chicken soup is ready. A delicious and nutritious bowl of creamy mushroom potato chicken soup is ready. Delicious and nutritious bowl of creamy mushroom potato chicken